Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to describe how to add HTML code in your Wix website. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we already set up our Wix website. So in here we want to publish our HTML code. So for that reason we need to be click on the add elements. Once we click on the add elements, we will find out more option here. So we need to be scroll down, and we will find out the option is called embedded code. Click here and you will find out popular embedded option. In here you can see we have embedded HTML option, so you need to be click on here. Once you click on here, they will give you the option. You can see it's already come over here, so you need to be paste your code in this place. So we are going to copy a HTML code from our YouTube channel, how to simple help. Just click this three dot and we will find out the share option. Just click on the embedded and I will get the embedded HTML code. I will just copy this code and I am going to paste it here. So after paste it, I will update the code and you can see our embedded HTML code has been come over here. You just need to be resize it. You can increase the size and now you can see that our embedded HTML code is working perfectly. I hope you will find out this video is helpful for you. Once you find out this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Till now, have a good day.